So the man them slap for your next man. And this individual goes by the name Javi. And people, it's said to be that this man was robbed and killed for his money. Now my people who don't know if I don't hear that, I know nothing about the people them where come from, him surrounding, the people them who claim to say him grew up with. People right now, a big thing are going on, we are talking about that is because we have exclusive video clip where sisters and mother are break silence. So now stay tuned. Also, we're going to talk about famous TikToker who goes by the name Figure It Out. Yeah man, most of you are almost familiar with TikToker Figure It Out and Hakeem. The TikTok brother them will take over TikTok from what day we are going with the series. Of course, it's said to be that this man was chased by armed gunmen. People, and a normal thing we're going to talk about in that vlog and my people. So stay tuned, smash up the like button. Make sure so the video run to 1,000 likes quick and fast. Make sure so now share up the video so the video can reach out on some other platform. And don't forget to leave your thoughts down below in the comment section, my people. By the way, we're going to start with this guy, my people, who goes by the name Javi, that was robbed and killed.
One thing with Javi, I'm going to forever say, Javi not act like him a bad man. No, Javi do, Javi vigilant, Javi with look. Both time yeah them.
Javi, I remember say them say one and Javi and the boy I fight for. When I tell you say I can't one of them, I have two of them, I'll be a three, cause Javi nah done.
Alright, Kim. Alright, so, I remember say we hear this already before Evo, that woman come out, come talk, say no kind of lie.
We hear it long time, guys, so that I will never want to come talk. We are going to say it, I go wait in the investigation.
We hear this a long time, but see that finally confirmed now.
Only thing left now, a blood clot blacks and Javi body. A blacks and Javi body, and I tell you, say, you see, you
and guys, so let's see the picture, come on. We're going to circulate it on the internet.
Guys, we get black picture. But I don't know if you put it up, you know, me get black picture, guys. Me have black picture.
And I see a hairstyle girl there, you know.
And I see that. You see that.
You know the same hairstyle, Kim.
I have black picture, guys. Yeah. But it's okay. It's okay. You see you big pussy Alia? You see you? You see all the people in them are gonna suffer like dog.
They finally confirmed to them doing something. We get over your ball pan and you beg and I say yes, she don't know nothing about it and she know about that. And see that woman come out to come bust it up. And she a turn it upon the woman and I tell the woman say, she take the money.
And she did thief this, and she did take the money, and she did this and that. I know Javi did have money for him, Abby.
I know that Kim come and Javi do look business. So probably see the money and not even not much money, but don't catch them here. Probably I saw like $5 grand.
No,
jump out to the rest of the money then.
Listen to me, no man, I'm more than that, because Javi call me and tell me, say, he want to buy something down my waist from Bull.
Okay.
I say to him, say, all right, I make a link and give him a piece of money. So I'm more, let me tell you to be exact. Javi have, me I tell you no guys, Javi have, because we are going to do it, and we are going to do it big, Abby. Javi have, $180,000 upon him. So you see money where him left a yard. I just left a yard, see it. You hear me say because I make a call.
You say alias say 300,000.
500 pound how much?
Kim, you hear me say? The comments say alias say 300,000.
Guys, 500 pound how much?
What do you mean?
500 pound how much money in a Jamaican?
I don't know. You can't do that no coming up on TikTok.
500 pound how much, guys?
Blood clot. Aria say, I tell you rob him 300,000.
It's who accept, mommy. Wait there. 180. 108. Well, him did have that, plus him did get one little. So him did have approximately 170 or 180,000 upon him. I don't know if he reach, I don't know if he did make call or whatever, Abby, and get no money. I don't know. But I know say him did have that.
So no rob a man because you see him things, I don't know him sweat and him tears, and hungry days and hungry nights where the man have to put aside to just try to make it out. See man him mute them.
Me never ever get the money, Abby. Cause my friend say every time, I never ever get the money. My friend say every time I call him when I want something. And when I tell him say I drive him, send £500.
Okay. More some Kim have a next one book up on our live. Can I type over here? I just should everybody tell the truth now.
You know, I have my next one. I'm leave work. Like no, come on for this app. Come on for the live and go on it. Go on your live.
Go on my live?
No. I fear you can't go on fear live.
But I've end my one.
No, not any other one. Make it stay. Make it
Not
stay.
the next one.
Yeah, we are talking our one. Make she go on. Make she go on. Cause confession. I dead. She a dead.
Kim in the
Kim,
comment
what
now.
Yo.
What talk?
Abby.
No, who other girl wanna say a talk?
She set up Javi.
The sexy girl or the mob boss?
My boss.
So my boss the live now?
Yeah. And I talk everything where I go. So me and my friend now we have a link on the back road and she talk everything now a while ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody just bust spam people now. People just a bust spam people. People just a bust it up on people now. Me not see.
Me I go on my other phone. Hold on, Kim.
Yeah. Me not see where name there. That's not the pan live, guys. Tell Tass to come back over here, guys. Cause Tass, I go talk, Abby.
And my phone so dead.
Tass, I go talk.
The body not that far from over there, say, yeah? Remember me
Talk for true.
The Austin and Tassie, me no Javi go pull on them. Can't manage to carry body go nowhere. Go bury that.
Yeah, true. You know, we start saying out everything. Look at her properly, guys. We have 70 people over here. 81. Yeah. That are the girl when me tell her say him go run a back road too. That are the girl when me call and she say me fi ask her man about my son. Me stop hold up long argument with people now. Me stop hold up people picture. Me stop have people from I'm sitting. Me I put out the whole of you know. Share the live and post it all over. This is one picture. I'm going to one next picture. I don't know how to put. Yeah, I don't know how to put them up. Put my phone screen crack other day. But I want to put up one next picture with her face more clearer or a fat. She get fat or what. How them a circle so far? Okay, so.
Boy, you sell Caribbean? Eh? You sell Caribbean? Reach out.
Yeah.
Share the live, guys. This is the girl who I'm going a back road with.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
This is a girl, see her face again. So look on her face there and tell me if you know she. I see in person, but look like say she get brown hair. You know she a bleach or something. Or it might be the picture when we put up first, guys. I want old time picture or something. We need approximately 170 or 180,000 upon him. I don't know if he reach a I don't know if he didn't call or whatever Abby and get no money. I don't know. But I know say him did have that.
So no rubber man because you know see him things, I don't know him sweat and him tears and hungry days and hungry nights where the man have to put aside for those try to make it out. See man mute them.
Me never ever get the money, Abby. Come friends every time, me never ever get the money. My friends every time I call him when I want something. And when me tell him say I Javi, him send £500.
Okay. More some Kim have a next one to go up on our live. Can them type over here? I guess everybody had to tell the truth now.
You know, I have my next one. I'm leave work. Right now, come on for this, Abby. Come on for the live and go on it. Go on your live.
Go up on my live?
No. I fear, you can't go on fear live.
But I have end my one.
No, not any other one. Make it stay. Make it
Now
stay.
the next
Yeah,
one.
we attack our when I make she go on, cause confession. I dead she a dead.
Kim, I in the
Him a who
comment to go
attack?
now.
Yo,
Who attack?
Abby,
No, who other girl wanna see attack?
she set up Javi,
The sexy girl or the mob boss?
my boss.
So my boss the live now?
Yeah, and attack everything where I go. So me and my friend now we have a link on the back road and she talk everything now a while ago.
You see me? The next one I take him a good time I walk back at me. So I pick up a rake and I have the other phone in my hand. I don't make it obvious. I'm a street youth, you know. You see me? I just never did know say us so big, we think big right now where we can't really go nowhere in peace. So I take up the phone and I dial my dog panic where did out of the car. The dog answer while me I walk, me I talk. I don't make it obvious so me I say nothing, you know. So I say, bro, try on forward now. The dog I say, what go on? Me I say, yo, program the behind me, you know. But me not make it obvious, me still a walk. The dog say, alright. So the three of them run out. I see the other one run off. You see me? So two of my security them run the corner and try catch him. The other one pick up the rake. The other one run go in a water park there and swim go around the rock. You see it? I say see it though. So nothing more than them man yeah. See? And go there and say, yo, them boy have money, you know. I want them this and I make a rob him. Yeah, so I tell you with popularity now, and all the time it's nice. Your life in a danger to me, joy 99% of the time. So the foreign ranking on me inner, me I go and rank on that page. Yeah. You see me? I don't like the Jamaican ranking, bro. I hate it. I can't go nowhere in peace. I said I go up on the road with 20 grand. Best believe I'm not come back home with $1. Everybody see me. Beg your thing now. Beg your thing now. When I say you know I'm ready to stay away, yo, I so much money I make when I rich. All them things there. You know who me blame for that, bro? The screen recording page, them dog. Some things I'm so gonna go down the way I'm do, bro. And for one day for no alright. I can't tell nobody say me frosting or me not money, you know. First thing I'm gonna say, you can't tell me that. I so much money I make. All people I send my page. And I say, yo, Jay, you know, so them people are over here, so check up and I post up on a business online. I say, look there. You need to stop, bro. Blame on yourself. Come here. Come here. Hold the alkaline here. Come here. You look raw, yo. Hold the alkaline there. Next fake page, come here. Hold the alkaline. Moderators, not afraid to give them 2 alkaline for me, you know. Not afraid to give them 2 alkaline for me. Every minute I go jump off a chair right so me there and give them. So moderator for everybody when me add as moderator. Not afraid to give them 2 alkaline. You hear me I say? But chat me see a screen record with Rose. With Rose come like she jump and I talk about the party. When I see some talk for sure, I'm not telling a lie. What she say? In tall. I have to hide back at him. So for everybody who they think me short now know the truth. I am basically 6 feet. You see what I say? That's when all of the camera did that slap her and she get Gigi and she shy. I feel me back. So when you see the bag of makeup on my shirt, I did Rose makeup. In my thought, bad. Rose love you, you know. She's supposed to. Me her brother.